Hello guys, my name is Ravi Dutt. I'm working as Senior Manager Sales in Marbella Group, and today we will discuss about our project Marbella Twin Tower. So talking about Marbella Twin Tower, everything is best about this project. From location to product, what we are delivering. Like if we talk about the location, ये चंडीगढ़ की सबसे prominent location हम कह सकते हैं in New Chandigarh basically. It is 0 kilometer from Chandigarh. जो हमारा project रहेगा, ये surrounded रहेगा with huge green area. Other than that, with Eco City and Medicity also. And upcoming botanical garden is there. उसके अलावा जो distance from PGI है hardly 4-5 kilometers distance from PGI इसका रहेगा. If we talk about the project, टोटल लैंड पैच रहेगा हमारा सर 10 एकड़ का, जिसके अंदर कमर्शियल इज ऑल्सो देयर इन फ्रंट एंड वेरी लिमिटेड यूनिट्स ऑफ 5-star रेजिडेंसीज वी आर मेकिंग, ओनली 5 BHK टू मेक इट एलीट. सो हम सर एंट्री पे खड़े हैं अभी हमारे प्रोजेक्ट की. मेरे बैक साइड आप देख सकते हैं देयर आर शोरूम्स ओनली. सो कमर्शियल इज देयर. इसके बैक साइड पे हमारा मार्बेला मॉल आ जाएगा एंड होटल साइट इज ऑल्सो देयर. सो 4-star होटल वुड बी देयर इन फ्यूचर. आपके लिए सब कुछ कन्वीनियंस हो जाएगा. एवरीथिंग इज इनसाइड योर प्रेमिसेस ओनली. ऑल शोरूम, शॉप, कमर्शियल, फूड कोर्ट. उसके अलावा PVR is coming there in the mall. So everything is within your premises. So site behind me is of Mall Marbella. It's mall plus hotel, both will be here. So one of the best convenient site we can say for the residents also, and for all residents who are living in surrounding to our project also. So this is a residential complex. Tower A is in full swing of work and Tower B has also started. Talking about this project, we are making only high-rise concepts. So total 33 floors we are making here and 26th floor पे हम already पहुंच चुके हैं of Tower A. And Marbella is only making Mewan construction. So the lifespan of project is we can say a much higher to the ordinary constructions. अब इसके साथ हम double basement parking भी साथ में बना रहे हैं. So ample parking space would be there for residents and also for their guests. So this is the entrance lobby of your flat, sir. And first of all, have a look on this entrance lobby. We have made this unique concept of double-heighted lobby, and same green area we are providing for you. So talking about the lifts also, we are providing all high-speed lifts. 4 lifts will be there in the entrance lobby, and other than that, fire lift is there outside the lobby, as you can see. So total 5 lifts on each floor, and we are giving just 4 flats on each floor, with the distance of almost 60 feet, more than 60 feet flat to flat. Let's move towards the flat. So this is the foyer area, which is huge, and same door we are providing. It's teak veneer door and with digital lock. Other than that, video door phone is also the part of your house for your convenience. So welcome to your flat. This is the entrance foyer. With the entrance foyer, we have made storeroom, as you can see, and puja room is separate. So you don't have to compromise with store or puja room. Everything is combined. Other than that, we can see there is multi-purpose room also, which you can use as a servant room also, or you can make your office as well. And इसकी entrance हमने अलग से रखी हुई है. Like in future, if you're having a servant, तो आप उनके लिए यहाँ से अलग से entry रख सकते हो. And it's not like an ordinary servant room. Look at the size of room and even the quality of wardrobe we are providing in that also, with all these ambience lights. And washroom size you also can see, and we are delivering washrooms with all sanitary fittings and bath fittings. So coming to our first bedroom, you also can say it's our guest bedroom. So what all we are providing, I would also like to mention, same wall-to-wall height wardrobes of high quality will be there with ambience light and lockers. Other than that, same flooring, false ceiling, ceiling lights, ceiling fans, centralized system for ACs, which would be all weather, and complete washrooms. So washroom, as you're seeing, you will get all sanitary fittings are of Toto brand, and glass partition would also be there. Vanity and all, as you're seeing, you will get as same. So moving to your first balcony or private deck, first of all, I would like to mention, you can see the quality of mesh door as well toughened glass door. This is high grade aluminium, and Schoko. The brand name is Schoko, which is a German brand. So this is your private deck area. Look at the size of this deck. You can have a small gathering also, your family gathering, 2-3 family gathering you can easily do here. Shaft area is there. So as I mentioned, it's a Mivan construction. So all pipes, fittings, सब कुछ बाहर ही आ जाएगा. In future, if you have to do any maintenance related work, कुछ भी अंदर करवाने की जरूरत नहीं है. सब हमारा easily बाहर ही हो जाएगा काम. So moving to our formal drawing area, ये हमारा formal drawing area है sir. And पहले तो एक बार size देख लो. ठीक है जी, you can place like 12-seater sofas here easily, and also we have made this powder room for the privacy of your family. Like if some guests are coming, they just can use your powder room. Now moving towards second bedroom. So as I mentioned there, that was you can use as the guest room. The distance between both rooms is around 20 feet. तो privacy part से भी ये चीज़ अच्छी रह जाती है आपके लिए for the family privacy. ये सर हमारा second bedroom आ गया. इसके अंदर we are providing same false ceiling and quality wardrobes also, and same washroom. You can see the washroom as well. So all our rooms are attached with balcony, as we saw earlier. Our formal drawing area as well, the guest room was attached with that private deck area of humongous size. So coming to the next balcony of this room, 6 feet wide balcony, and it is connecting to the other balcony of next room. So you can see the size of balcony. So let's come to one of the most important part of house, which is kitchen. So kitchen, look at the size of kitchen first of all, and look at the natural light provisions also. So in daytime you don't need to switch on any of your house lights, whether you are in your bedrooms or you are working in your kitchen. So talking about kitchen, we are providing kitchen as it is. Hattic brand की kitchen रहेगी. As we all know, this is one of the best brand in segment. So you can see this pantry area, and other than that, all soft closure compartments. So as it is kitchen आपको मिलेगी. Double hob, double chimney, microwave, OTG, refrigerator of around or more than 650 liters. Other than that, this is a drinking water area. So इसके नीचे हमारा water purifier आ जाएगा साथ में ही. Dishwasher we also providing. So coming to the wet kitchen part, यहाँ पे हम dishwasher provide कर रहे हैं. Plus we are also providing washing machine and dryer. So ये सारे appliances आपके घर के अंदर आपको लगा के मिलेंगे. So adjoining to kitchen, we are having a dining area, and as you can see the size of this dining table, but still have enough space to serve and to move around. You can place your dining table here of any size, we can say. So after that we can say the formal drawing area, we do have informal family lounge. हमने अभी यहाँ पे काफ़ी छोटा सोफा लगाया हुआ है, but you still have enough space. आप इससे ज़्यादा भी यहाँ पे प्लेस कर सकते हैं, and यहाँ पे आपका TV यूनिट आ जाएगा. With that, a balcony is also there. So the whole house is having balconies all around, and shaft area यहाँ पे आ जाएगा, और यहीं पे हमारी पूरे घर की AC यूनिट आ जाएगी. So let's move to third bedroom now. So whole house is having big size rooms, but इसका जो size है वो थोड़ा और बड़ा है due to reason इसकी wardrobe हमारी walk-in wardrobe आ गई. Let me show you. And we have cupboard space all around, so there is no any shortage of space would be there for our customers. And washroom is there also. All fittings, bath glass enclosure, vanities, and all bath fittings, everything would remain as you are seeing. सो जैसे मैंने पिछले रूम से आपको बालकनी दिखाई थी, द सेम बालकनी इज देयर which is connecting second and third bedroom. So now moving to principal suite of your house, or you can say master bedroom. Look at the size, it's humongous in size as you can see, and we are giving you same wooden flooring. Other than that, as I mentioned about the false ceiling and other parts of house also, walk-in wardrobe, and same as the washroom is there. It also has the natural light provision from this side. So natural light provision is also there. आप अपने wardrobe access कर रहे हो और you are just accessing your washroom also. Natural light will also be there. So as I mentioned, we are making only 5-star residencies and 5 BHK units only to make it elite. Talking about the amenities also, you name the amenity and we are providing that. Like if we talk about the swimming pool, all the swimming pool will be there. Other than that, our whole part of A tower and B tower would be interconnecting at the ground floor, which is Club Mavila. And other than that, on top floor of each tower, we are making club. So green area is very ample there in front of our both tower. And other than that, adjoining to B tower also, indoor games would be there, and restaurant, bar, banquet, everything you will have within your project only. And we are left with very few units. So just like to mention, if you are looking something best for you, you want to reward yourself, then you are most welcome, and you can just come and have a look around our project or the sample flat also. Thank you so much.